Alright, this video comes from section 4 topic 3, and we're going to talk about rate of change and the Y-intercept in a real world context. Alright, so right here we have a graph that we have to label with the variables. Alright, so the T-Mobile 1 family plan includes 4 lines and unlimited data, calls, and texts for $160 per month. That includes taxes and fees, but there is an activation fee that's $80. All right, so the variables that we're dealing with is a monthly cost. So I'm going to put months as my independent variable, my X variable, and I'm going to list them out. It's going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. All right. Then we have cost. All right, so we have the cost of the bill. All right, and that starts off with an $80 activation fee. So I'm going to go in increments of 80, 160, 240, 320, 400, 480, and that should be pretty good. All right, so an activation fee. All right, you pay the activation fee at the store before even the first month. So that takes place at month 0. All right. At the end of the first month, you have to pay the bill. So that's $160. All right. And you only pay the activation fee one time. So at the end of the second month, you'll pay another $160. All right. And so forth. All right, so let's talk about, so we've graphed the line. Let's talk about what is the slope of the line. All right, well, the slope of the line is the amount of change in our dependent variable, which is cost. All right, so how much does cost go up each time that our independent variable, months, goes up by 1? All right, so let's look at the difference between month 1 and month 2. All right, what is the difference here? Well, it went up by $160. So our slope is $160 for every 1 month. That is our rate of change. All right, so rate of change. All right, and that is our cost per month. All right, what is our Y-intercept? Well, that's where the point crosses the Y-axis, all right? And that's our starting point. So the Y-intercept, all right, the Y-intercept represents the activation fee. All right, that's where all of our costs started at. So that's how we are going to define our rate of change, our slope, and our Y-intercept in the real world setting. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and make sure you post in the comments so I know that you watched the video.